Welcome, welcome, welcome to another episode of Unboxing. Coming up next, the Sony ECM-CS3 tie-clip microphone versus the PowerDeWise microphone from the last unboxing episode. Which one performs better? Coming up on the next unboxing. Unboxing, the show where we open the box so you don't have to.
Thank you, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing. On this episode, we will be reviewing the Sony ECM-CS3 tie-clip microphone. This microphone looks like it was made for this particular recorder, as based on what the specs show on the box. And I ordered this about 5 minutes after I ordered the microphone that we reviewed on the last episode of Unboxing, which was actually filmed about 2 hours ago from my perspective. So since I found this microphone while I was looking for something else, I decided let's have a look at this one as well. And we're going to decide which one sounds better. So right now I'm using the PowerDeWise microphone hooked up to the Sony recorder. And we are going to switch over to this microphone after we open it up and have a look. So let's begin. First, we're going to be needing our handy dandy scissors. Cut right through the box. Probably more than I needed to take off, but hey, we'll just get that later. All right, so we open the box. We can get rid of that too. And we find user manuals, warranties. I mean, honestly, whoever uses the warranty on one of these, but you know, there it is. So we'll just put that aside and let's keep what's important. And doesn't look like there's anything else in the box. So there's really not much to this. The microphone itself, right away by looking at it, it's very nice quality. You can see the markings for left and right on it. I don't know if it pivots. It does pivot, so that's good. So that means you have a little bit of freedom on the clip to position it any way you like. And the plug on it is standard stereo. You see the two connections, and I have a sneaking suspicion that you can use this directly with the unit without an adapter. So we will be trying this out. And that's it for the first part. So let's try out this mic and see if it sounds better than what we're using right now. All right, and we're back. And now I'm sporting the Sony stereo mic, which the first thing I notice has a very, very short connector on it. This is all the cord you get, so I'm gonna have to give a big thumbs down for that right away. And other than that, it did snap right in. So on the plus side, you won't be needing the adapter that the other mic uses. So with this one, you have to have this extra connection, and that could yield more points where you're gonna have a little bit of noise if there's rubbing or whatever. But either way, it eliminates that. So that's what we have right now. So what do you think? Which one sounds better? Well, after reviewing the audio files on both, I determined that the Sony mic had a little bit better clarity, and I do like the way that it positions on your body, where the way it clips on, you have a dispersion right around you where the speech is coming from, and it doesn't have a tendency to get tucked underneath the fabric like the other one does. This one, however, because of its long cord, and its windscreen, will probably be quite useful in the field, and I can just go ahead and use this microphone going forward in the studio. And here the short cable length isn't going to make a difference because the recorder only needs to be just a little bit away from me, and I don't have to route this necessarily underneath the shirt, although it would have been nice if this had a little bit longer cord to give me just a little bit reach. So I think Sony should have added maybe about this much more cord to it, or maybe this much more. So overall, I'd say the Sony is a winner, and that and the fact that you don't need to use the adapter on it, that makes it a huge plus. So although I suppose you could use an extension cable on this, since then you'd be going right back to having one extra connector on it, but you could put an extension cable on it. That is a solution. So, hope you enjoyed this episode of unboxing, and I will see you next time, where we're going to be looking at DJI products for the Mavic Pro drone. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit notifications on, and I'll see you soon on the next unboxing. Thank you.